Let's use a balloon to make a gourmet dessert for you and your Valentine. Secure the balloon in a bowl or a mug and then drizzle chocolate all over the top until you can hardly see any of the balloon underneath. Flip your balloon over and then gently poke it with a hot needle. You want it to deflate slowly so the chocolate casing stays intact. Now just use a kitchen torch or hot syrup to reveal a sweet secret for your loved one underneath. To make the base of our edible puzzle, pipe melted chocolate onto some parchment paper in whatever shape you like. Once you're happy with the shape, go ahead and give it a little shake to make sure that the top remains smooth. Then add any sprinkles you like, and when the chocolate is dry, pipe on a message to your Valentine. Next, cut or snap your puzzle into irregular shapes to make it as easy or difficult as you like. And now sit back, relax, and see how fast your Valentine can crack the code. Take any Tupperware container you have lying around the house and fill it all the way up with melted milk or dark chocolate. Make sure it does not go over the brim of the container. Then pour that chocolate right back out until the stream is pencil thin. Place your container in the fridge to cool. You'll know it's done when you see this circle on the bottom. Apply slight pressure and then it'll pop out of your makeshift mold to reveal the perfect chocolate bowl. You'll probably have some raw edges to shave up before you can get to the best part, filling it with more chocolate treats inside. The perfect chocolate-covered strawberries are made by dipping cold berries into very hot chocolate. This will ensure that the chocolate clings to the berry and doesn't crack off when you bite into it. Impress all your friends at your Valentine's Day party by adding this all-edible dish to your spread. Making edible chocolate flowers is so much easier than it looks. All you need is parchment paper cut into teardrop shapes. Pinch at the pointy end to make waves in the paper and then secure with tape. Use a spatula to pour your favorite kind of chocolate on just one side of the petal. Then set it aside to cool, and when it's hard to the touch, you should be able to peel that parchment right off the back, revealing the perfect flower petal. Arrange your petals however you like, and then pipe some more chocolate right in the center to make the pistil of your flower. This will secure all of your petals in place. Use your loved one's favorite candy for the stem of your flowers. This makes the perfect gift for family, friends, and Valentines of all kinds.